Alright, so back for day 2, and the first thing we're going to do is use this Ryobi hinge pin remover, because I've always used a screwdriver and a hammer in the past, and it's not the best way to do things. So I think I saw this in the store for $5. I figured I'd give it a try. Alright, now that's open. Put it in here. Alright, so I've got the door off. The little Ryobi hinge pin remover worked out perfect. Now the next thing we're going to do is cut our water supply lines. I've got the main shut off for the house, so we're going to cut our hot and cold as close to the joint as we can and put these caps on for now so the water can be turned back on. I've put a bucket under here and drained the water out of this. Shark bites are the way to go. Just maneuver that behind. That way it's not in our way. This will be a neat trick trying to figure this out.
What's that?
How to get this thing to get into place. It's just going to take some figuring. Y'all got any ideas? So I've got the vent. I cut it here and flipped it so it goes in toward the wall sooner. And now I'm getting ready to cut this pipe down some more so I can plumb for the new drain. Okay, so I've got the plumbing redone. I've got this electric wire cut out of the way for now, and I capped the ends of it. So now I'm going to try to finagle this thing into place. Wish me luck. Watch it on time lapse. Never let an inanimate object win. Mind over matter. Just takes a little figuring and a lot of friggin' horsing around, and you will get it. Alright guys, so I've got this thing in, and I don't even know why I bothered to measure, because my drain's a ½ inch off. So now I gotta figure out how to get this thing raised up enough so I can work underneath of it, so I can slice my pipe, add a coupler, and get my drain where it needs to be. Stay tuned. But for today, I'm going home.